Assalamualaikum viewers. Today's reading is about your love life, some advice, something what is going to happen in your love life. This is only for someone, only for one or two of you, not all of you. But whoever think that this is resonate to them, this reading is for only them. I'm going to start this reading. What they have to know in their love life. Who this reading for? Yes, there is a wheel of fortune, and at the bottom of the deck, your wishes are becoming true. They are becoming true. You have the wheel of fortune in your love life. You are going to have your life partner. You are going to win them. You are going to win their heart. You are going to marry them. The pentacle, the pentagram is over here. Wheel of fortune. You are going to have them. The luck is with you. Yes. Okay. What's next for them in their love life? What they have to know right now? You are not happy with something, or maybe you are not happy to wait for them, and now the universe had tell you that they are coming towards you. You are going to be married. You are going to with them in your love life. You are going to win them, their heart. Why are you not happy with this son? Are you not happy with them? What is happening here? Why this card is over here? I think something is happening very soon, very fastly, and you have to think about it. Okay, you have to think about it. You have to make a choice for this thing. You are not happy with this. You are a wiser person now. You have all the science, all the knowledge for your problem, to solve your problem. You are the wiser one. You can do anything. And with this card, you are able to decide what you have to do, what is right for you and what is not. With this card, Two of Wands, you are not deciding anything. You are playing with your thoughts. You are not even thinking about this thing. This is what you have to do now. This is this is happening now. You have to decide it first. This is the first priority for you. You have to do this right now. Think about it. Decide it. Which one you want. Which is good for you. What do you want here? Why is this Two of Wands over here? You are alone and thinking about something else. You can see that these both persons are thinking about something over here. They are not happy about this thing. Not happy about your happiness. Do you don't want to? Will you not want this person in your life, or not want to be married at that time? Something had happened here. You are searching for that person. You are taking knowledge about that thing. You are alone now. You want someone. You want some change over here. Maybe you are thinking about that person and want to know more about that person. Maybe you want to be like an emperor, alone, free, and seeing the perspective. Or maybe you are seeing the fire over here. You know that this situation is going to be towards danger, but universe are telling you that this is for your own good. This is for your fortune. What's this about? Yes, you are enjoying your life and you don't want to be married right now. That's what I am getting from here. Okay, you are blocking your own self from them, from the world. You don't want anyone to come over here, to come towards you. You are not even looking towards them. They are so so unhappy without you. They want you, they need you at that time, but you are not even thinking, looking over there, and you are blocking yourself from others. Why are you blocking yourself from others? Why is this car is over here? What happened to you? Why are you blocking yourself? I think you want your freedom. You don't want to be married. You don't want to be responsible right now. You are very childlike. You're childish. That's why you are not thinking about anything. What is this? Yes, you are making something, or you don't want to be. Uh, you don't want anyone to have this treasure. You had made some treasure and you don't want to anybody to share this with anybody. Something is hidden in between you, hidden in between you, and you don't want to share this thing with others. You want to cut someone from your life. You want to cut everybody from your life. You don't want to show anyone that what you have. Yes, Queen and these two cards are continuously coming together. The Queen of Swords and the King of Swords. The both energies. Do you have both energy? You are so you're very cutting over here. You're like a knight cutting knife. You're cutting all the things over here. This is what you wish for. You don't want anyone to know what you have, to know what you had in your mind. Yes, you want to win something, you want to defeat someone, but there is no one at competition with you. There is no one over there. You are only fighting with yourself. They all are going. Nothing to fight with. Nothing to fight over. You are fighting with yourself, with your own self. You need the courage. You need the strength to overcome this feeling. You are not happy with something bad had happened to you. You are protective about your own thinkings. You are protective about your own hurt, your own feelings, and now you are in this mood of rest, this mood of napping. You are not looking towards anything. You're just caught in your own thoughts. You are present in your own thoughts. You're not living. You're not letting anybody towards you. Something had happened to you, and you are caught by that thinking, that thoughts, that what had happened to you. What is going on over here? What they need to change their thinking about these things? What had they need to change? Something had happened to you, maybe from your past life, maybe from your parents. When you are a child, you saw something in between your parents. They are not good. They are fighting all the time. Maybe I don't say that it's happening. Maybe it's your own thoughts. It's from your own thoughts. But I think that something happened to you that give you that thinkings. Something bad had happened to you. Okay. Yes, I got one thing. 5 of Pentacles. That someone had left you. Someone had left you, and that's why you are so stone-like, so hard. You're not letting anyone in your life. You're not want to see someone in your hurt. You're carrying it with you. This all hurt, this all pain, you're carrying it only with you. You want someone to share it with. That's not good for you to keep it in your side. You are going to die. You are going to be ill, be sick with these thinkings. You are going to be psycho. If you get these things in your inside you, you have to tell this about, tell tell someone about this. All these nightmares, you are going to be psycho. This is your phobias. Let them go. tell tell about them. Tell them about some tell about them towards someone. Yes, this is not good for you to holding inside you. I think this is from your childhood. Someone had done something bad to you, or something had between your parents, and you are carrying this with a long time, with you a long time. Something about your father, or maybe something about your money matter. Okay, and this something is in your mind. You can see that this burden is over there, head. You have to do something soon. This is a very fast card. Something happening very soon. They are coming towards you. If they once had gone, they will never come back to you. You have to do something soon, faster. What's about this? You are doing something very slow when that situation wants something very fast. You have to do something very fast, but you are doing this very slow. This is not good with this fast energy. They are moving. They have moved from you. They will move from you if you don't do anything. And see over here that there is some kind of death. Maybe this death is over your thinkings. You are going to change and be like a new person. Death brings a new life. Okay, this death of you from this time, from your previous time, bring you the new of you, the new man, the new woman, the new energy, the new life, rebirth. Yes, this is going for you. You have to do it fast. Something is changing over here. What is changing? What is coming for that person who need the advice? What is the advice for them? What is coming for them? What is why is this the death card over here? What change is coming for them? Please tell me the right thing. What change is coming for them? Show me the card I need to see. 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 And show me the card I need to see. You are going to protect yourself, or you are still protecting yourself. Yes, defending, protecting your freedom, protecting your wholeness. If you are still protecting yourself, then I think that they are going towards someone else. They are moving from here. Your luck is going to move from here. Or maybe this is the also situation that someone is going to have their freedom in this situation. Something new is going to happen. Something new is going to start over there. And good. This is good. Something new. You have lots of desire, lots of dreams to come true. You have lots of. You are thinking lots of things about some. You are thinking about lots of things over here. What else? For my dear person who needs the help from here, what he or her, he or she have to do over here to overcome their problems. What do they need to do now? What's the advice for them? Something more. Please show me the card I need to see. 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 Yes. Go towards your past. This is the advice for you. I want the advice, and this is the advice for you. Go towards your past. Go towards your relatives. Go towards your grandma, grandpa, your grandparents, your parents, your sister, your friends. Okay, go towards them. Have a good life. Have a uh, something light to lighten you. Someone to lighten you. This situation needs you to go towards them. At the bottom of the deck, there is a Knight of Cups, or someone is coming towards you with a lots of love. They love you and they are coming towards you with a lots of love. You have the Justice card. This is the justice for you. This is what the universe thinks that is good for you. They are giving this person to you to change you, to uh, to pull you from your bad time, your problems. Okay, you have the Page of Cups. Someone is coming towards you with lots of love, with a childlike feelings. They are coming towards you. Yes, and also with this, someone is coming towards you. Knight of Cups, Page of Cups. You are waiting for them from a long time. You are waiting for them. You are not happy without them. Five of Cups. Maybe you had lied to them, or someone had lied to you about something. Now you are magician. You are making them. You are making them in your life. You want them in your life. You need them. And now they are coming towards you. Something for this person. Something to tell that person for their own good. Yes, let your friends help you. At the bottom of the deck, calling in your soulmate. Calling them, go towards them, call them. Your prayers, affirmations and visualizations help bring you together. Yes, you want them. You are praying for them, to have them in your life from a long time. Now you are going to have them. Something more, some more. What you need now to listen, to bring you some change, something more. Please. You have the number 25. Some kind of change, something is changing for you, something new is happening, some good change is going to come. Ring dragon, cursed rings. Cursed rings always made the worst dragon, but it has a weak spot, the belly. All of us have weak spot, so the others can easily conquer us. Find it and have prize. Bad man's hurt can be won by food or through his belly. You know, all of us had a weak spot, and you have it also. Now they are looking at that weak spot. You have some kind of weak spot, and they are coming towards you by that weak spot. They are coming to conquer you. They are coming to change you. They are coming for your own happiness, for your own good, to give you the love, to show you how to love, to teach you how to love. Lucifer, his purpose, his fall, his fate, defeat, fraud, decept. Think I am better than others, stronger than others, powerful than others, can do everything, want to stole throne from God or others. Thief, fight for that is not over. Liar, lonelier, problem creator. If you left alone, you are like that Lucifer. He had nothing but just a pride, a false thinking. Now universe have given that person to you, that to change you. Athena and Medusa. Cruelty of honor gives man priority. Make power on weak. Beautiful and pure gets down. I think that you had someone who is powerful than you in your past life. They had done something bad to you, and now you are like this person. You are not sharing anything. These things, that bad things that happen to you, you are not sharing with anyone else. Now that person from also from your past. Someone else is coming towards you to change you, to forget you about that things that happened to you, that bad feelings, that bad memory. There's nothing of hard work or modesty. You have done very hard work for that at that time, but you have get nothing. That's why um, you are hiding in your shell, getting jealous, making plans to defeat someone, destroy the beauty due to jealousy, done justice, misbehave, giving punishment to beauty. Yes, I think at that time you are a kid and you want to change what is happening around you, and you have no time or not a chance to bring that change, to do that change. Okay, uh, that's why you are now like this. Sun card, wow, light, abundance, happiness. With that person in your life, you have the light, you have the abundance, you have happiness, you have the successful time, you have the joyable time, and you can enjoy the life with this harvest, fertility, food, abundance. Yes, all the things, all the happiness with that person. If you want all this happiness, if you want to forget about that all bad time, you have to take them, bring them in your life. Okay, can caness, torch or beacon, power to create your own reality, the power of light. Yes, you can see the power of your own reality, the power of the truth, what is good for you, what is not, with this light that universe had given to you, are going to giving to you. Tivaz, the sky god, honor, justice, leadership, and authority. You have all these things in your future when this person is with you in your relationship. Honor, justice, leadership, and authority. Now, what is about this 25 card? Yes, this is a spiritual number, intuitive wisdom with diplomacy and curiosity. If you want some profit with this, with some benefit this situation, you have to be a little bit diplomatic. Okay, you're curious about that thing. You want to know what is going to happen to you. Acha, self-awareness, good communicators, the challenge themselves to do anything, and they go and win the job. Go and win the job. Go get them. Leave the past at your behind. Leave the past in the past. Now you can join your present, your future. Okay, stubborn. You are now stubborn. You are very stubborn. You are, don't let anybody to let's see inside you what you have inside you, what the darkness of you. You are not letting anybody to see that. Let them see only that person, not everybody. Only that person. Let them see. Stubborn, analytical, diplomatic, mysterious, mystical, magical, miraculous, adventurous, love to enjoy, sensitivity, sensuality. I already get that you are very sensitive. You're very sensitive because of that sensitivity. You had feel that problems that time very much, and you suck that things inside you. Let them go. Vomit it. Drop it. Sensuality. You have also the sensuality. You can feel for others. Acquiring wisdom by knowing yourself. Better worker, co-worker, as well as self-sufficient. More sensitive to others. Free expression without others' influence. Seeking experience above a horizon. Introspect. Spiritual team oriented. Curious enough to continue searching for knowledge and wisdom all of their lives. Yes, you can seek the knowledge and wisdom through all of your life. That is not for the sometime. Now you are going to get that wisdom and knowledge through this reading, that you have to do this, you have to marry someone else, you let someone else come in your life and show them all you have got, all the pain, all the hurt in your mind, in your heart. You have to show that to them. Then you can feel the light-hearted. Then you feel the much lighter than ever. Determined professionalist, wise beyond the year, balanced, isolated, also lucky number. This number represents the law, intellectual, logical, good in social interaction, spend lot of time alone, need time to analyze, professional, pre-rational, dreams, imaginators, like topics, psychology, mystery, yes, artists, creative, negativity, close their hearts, trust their worker, harder to work for humanity, emotionally, it requires some time alone, philosophers, methodologists, yes, you had required some time for your own good, and you are truster, you can trust anyone to make them a good man, and you have to trust them to do you some favor, to change you, to do some good to you for your own good. Okay, that's the advice for you. I think this is only for one person. This reading is only for one person. He needs this thing very badly. Okay, and I hope that this will reach to you. Whoever wants this, to whoever needs this, it will reach to you. So anyhow, if you are their friends or sister or someone, you think that this reading is for you, for someone you love, tell them about this reading, show them this reading. Okay, this is here in my channel. Like this or download it and show them. They need it very desperately, they need it very, it's for their own good. This is very necessary to show the person who it belongs to. That's for all today. I wish that that person had seen that, will see that, and get something from this reading. This is for someone's love life. They are restricting their own selves from their love, from their happiness. That's not good. That's not good. Whatever, I hope that you can get the advice from this situation. God will make you wise and be able to decide what is good for you. Please like, share and subscribe these readings, and with lots of love, lots of good wishes. Bye.